Hello, my name is Harshita. I am here to represent this presentation on behalf of my group members listed below. I am going to represent about Bell Telecommunication Company in Canada. Let us start with the introduction of the topic. Bell is a Canadian telecommunication company. The headquarters of Bell Canadian Company is situated at 1 Carrefour Alexander Graham Bell in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. Bell is Canada's largest communication company which provides a solution for all their communication needs to the consumers, business and the organizations of all sizes. Nowadays Bell is making a significant investments in developing and delivering the most innovative communications and media services to their consumers. Talking about the history of Bell Canada, in 1876, Alexander Graham Bell invents the Bell telephone and starts the Bell system with his father. After that, in 1880, it was incorporated as Graham Bell, which was renamed to Bell Canada in mid of 1968, whereas after 15 years, Bell Canada Enterprise became the parent company of Bell Canada. Let us start with the Bell Canada marketing mix and its strategies. Bell Canada analyzes the company, which covers 4 P's: product, price, place, and promotion. This marketing mix is widely used framework to define the strategies of the organization. Now talk about the product strategy. Bell Canada has an extremely wide product range from sale of mobile phones, accessories, mobile data, internet, as well as it also offers a facility of making and receiving the video calls and also offers the services in the home phone. Now talking about the price strategy, Bell Canada offers a several periodic discounts to its consumers, which employs a competitive pricing across all its products and services. It also provides a smart deals like unlimited usage of data, which grabs attention of the new customers, and it is a strategy of the pricing brand. Now talking about the place and distribution strategy of Bell Canada, it provides a coverage over 230 destinations throughout the world by means of its extremely powerful LTA roaming facility. Bell Canada's website is the best place for its sales and the promotion of its products. It has a very user-friendly, interactive and attractive website involving high graphics to promote its products and services and improve the visibility and brand value. However, it has the fastest and the largest LTE network widespread across the country with ultimate internet speed and a signal coverage. Next is promotion and the advertising strategy. Bell Canada makes exhaustive use of a social media platforms such as Facebook page, Twitter handle, YouTube channel and blog to keep creating a buzz and a continue trending on the internet, improving its visibility. It employs special offers to the new customers by providing them with additional benefits in terms of discounts or data usage. Bell Canada uses the policy of forward attack over its competitors by straight comparing its prices with them and displaying them on the website. There are many eco-friendly activities performed by a Bell Canadian company. First is paperless billing. Paperless billing protects the environment while using a secure e-bill service. Over 21% of a bill issued by a Bell are now electronic, which helps in saving 33,000 trees, reduce greenhouse gases by 4,000 tons. Next is recycling. Bring back used mobile phones with batteries and accessories to a bill, help in reused or recycle the services, which Bell donates the net proceeds of the program to the Canadian Mental Health Association. Whereas in responsible procurement, Bell is eliminating single-use bags in stores and is committed to reducing packaging and using recyclable materials. Similarly, Bell expects its suppliers to also act responsibly, respect the environment, and demonstrate the integrity. There, there are many environmental performances which is performed by a Bell company. It minimizing the environmental impact of our network optimizing energy consumption and reducing air emissions, maintaining efficient recycling programs. Business strategies of Bell Canada. First is build the best network. When it comes to building the network of the future, Bell has been the leader for 140 years. With the unrelenting focus over the past decade on the capital investment and the leading fiber and wireless technology, network have gained become Bell's critical competitive advantage. Whereas in drive growth with innovative services, with the fastest internet and best Wi-Fi, the highest quality mobile services and smart home products like virtual network services, Bell is the industry's innovation leader. Next is deliver the most compelling content. Bell Canada take a unified approach to engaging and informing Canadian audience by delivering the content they want the most on the platforms of their choice. Bell made great strides in providing improved services to our customers and will continue to enhance the end-to-end customer's journey. Every interaction will be a key building block to make it easier for our customers to do business with the Bell, operate with agility and a cost efficiency. Bell highly competitive industry requires a dedication to operational efficiency and the ability to be a nimble and adaptable in a fast changing marketplace. Talking about the competitive advantages of Bell Canada. Bell Mobility offers a wide range of superphones, smartphones, and tablets at a competitive rates. It also has the largest network coverage of all across the Canada, covering nearly 97% of the population. However, Bell has a very strong and brand image and is highly recognized by a public as a leading mobile provider. Bell also reduced the installation times with wireless strategy, for example, installation of 5 TV. Bell also offers a customer services to their new customers. In order to retain current customers, they will be given an incentive to refer friends and relatives with other mobile providers and will receive free services such as free voicemails and the call display. Now the question arises, is Bell doing their business globally? Well, the Bell is not doing their business globally, but Bell offers seamless access to the most extensive broadband, IP, and voice communication network in Canada, which is also one of the world's largest data networks. With point of the presence in key cities like London, New York, Quebec, Ontario, Alberta, as well as Manitoba, British Columbia, and Northern Canada, it provides the advantage of fiber optic connectivity, which is the strongest and the cost effectively research of the Bell network system. The name Bell Canada Enterprise is same across the Canada since 1983 when it was formed as a parent company of Bell Canada. Opinion Lab and online engagement strategy is used for analyzing the consumer research. They have a array of different solutions that helps in managing the overall voice of the customers. The goal and the objective is very defined. Number 1 is customer satisfaction. They want to be able to listen to voice of the customer, read the transcript and be able to help in improving the online experience. Additionally, they look to increase revenues as they know that there is no self-service capability that is 100% perfect. So what they do with the help of transcript, they assist why visitors abandoned. With this, the company ensures the satisfaction to its customers. Bell Canada provides B2C services to its customers with the help of Amdocs real-time microservices portfolio. It enhances the customer services. Amdocs' purpose is to enrich lives and progress society using creativity and technology to build a better connected world. Amdocs and its 25,000 employees partner with the leading players in the communications and media industry, enabling next generation experience in 85 countries, which is ultimately increase the services of the customer and provides a satisfaction to its consumers. Moving towards the target market of Bell Canada. There are three constituents of the target market. First is customers with the other mobile providers, next new customers to the mobile market, and the current customers. All three constitutes consist of very broad demographic and a psychographic characteristics. In general, target markets include people who are old enough to have a cell phone or a buy one for another, such as a parent, and who are all financially motivated. Mobile customers are looking for the best deal and the best network. So Bell must therefore attract the new customers by offering them monetary incentives such as a cancellation incentive with their current provider and a competitive rates for their phone plans. To be recognized by customers at Canada's leading communications company, it has attract new customers and existing customers with other mobile companies to switch over to a Bell. As of 2020, Bell Canada Enterprise is one of the leading brands in the telecom service provide sector. Following are the STP of Bell Canada Enterprise. In segmentation, it includes high-speed internet, Fibe TV, Bell TV, satellite, home phone local and long distance services, whereas in target marketing it provides a voicemail, wireless services, TV and a high speed of the internet. In positioning, it includes telecommunication services, media coverage and the sport business services. Moving towards the business partnerships of Bell Canada. There are many business partners of Bell Canada. First is TELUS. Bell and TELUS will almost definitely cooperate and merging their new holding to transmit broadband signals through large areas of the world that would be a faster and easier to convey. Next is Kibi. Bell Company cooperate with Kibi on the new development in the amusement. Bell collaborate with Kibi and become the first Canadian provider of daily content for the new platform. Another one is Uninterrupted Canada. Uninterrupted Canada drawn out restrictive partnership with the Bell Media and combining the extraordinary impact of Canada's biggest promoting association and unmatched media voice with the believability of the uninterrupted competitors strengthening brand in Canada. Moreover, it also deals the partnerships with the TV channels including TCN, RDS and CTV. The client relationship management has become one of the publicity exploration and the practice needs. Bell Mobility is proud to give its customers outstanding services. It runs two customer support centers with more than 550 consumer service members. These members not only offer conventional customer support such as addressing customer queries and complaints but also increase sales. The customer support staff of Bell Mobility has been responsible for offering new and improved plans and features to customers who call in. Bell Cloud is a platform used for a client relationship management. It provides the reliable Bell System 24 CRM stage as a public cloud, lessening the costs through virtual combination of different areas and relegating workforce as per call volume, as well as variabilization of the foundation cost as per work volume, which will growing the quality of the response and the usage levels, improving the customer loyalty and providing the direct benefits to call center operations. Bell Canada provides both products and services to its consumer. It offers a wide range of the products from the sale of mobile phones, accessories, mobile data, Fibe TV, home phone, travel, etc. It also covers the 40 live TV channels which show the content based on the consumer's liking. It also provides the 5G internet services which is across over the all Canada, and it also provides the faster tablet services which gives the customer satisfactions to its consumers. Taking care of logistics of Bell Canada. First is fleet management. Fleet management helps in track the location, performance and the status of vehicles to more efficiently manage and coordinate maintenance and refueling and deliveries, whereas asset management helps in assess real-time location information about valuable assets to help prevent theft and manage warehouse inventory more effectively. Push to talk allow your teams to communicate with each other at the push of a button, whether they are on the road or in the warehouse. However, cold chain monitoring prevents perishable cargo from spoiling by monitoring and regulating its temperature in transit. Security also helps in protect your services, data, and the customer information with robust and a reliable security system. Mobile device and plans also keep your teams connected wherever they go with the right planes and the latest devices on the Canada's best national network. Cloud and data center hosts your server, storage and the application resources in the cloud and access them anywhere, anytime and across the country. Lastly, talking about the main purpose of marketing channels. First is online communication. The objective of the online communication is to appeal to a wide range demographic public, which helps in communication through Bell Mobility website. It also helps in advertisements on the social media such as YouTube advertisements, whereas email and the text message communication helps in communicate to existing customers of new incentives, for example free add-ons for referring families and friends that are with other mobile providers. It helps in send out email and text messages blast at least once a month communicating referral incentives, whereas printed media communication objective is to reach out to new customers and customers with other providers and inform them that they will save money if they will choose a Bell Mobility as their best provider. However, last place and distribution strategy is used by a Bell company offers attractive discounts all over the premium products on the sales. It also offers like trading the existing device for a certain value to get discount over a new purchase of the device. Bell Canada makes an exhaustive use of the social media platforms such as Facebook page, Twitter handle, etc., which increase their advertisement on the marketing channels and increase their targeted sales.